Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a room tour of the studio room at the Tahiti Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada on Tropicana Avenue. This is a studio room for 2 people. Has a table in the room, dresser and flat screen TV, the bed, small kitchenette with a fridge, toaster, coffee maker, microwave, trash can, paper towels, utensils for the grill, cutting board and knives, kitchen utensils, salt and pepper, cups, plates, bowls, cups, 2 microwave containers, ice bucket, and a pitcher. And the bathroom. Bathroom has a single sink, and it has a jacuzzi tub. And also a closet in the room. That's going to be the room tour of the studio room at the Tahiti Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada on Tropicana Avenue. Thanks for watching.